Alright, YouTube. We fucking back with another video. As y'all can see, I'm in a Q50. Still in one for my boy Wes. About to go link him right now. We about to get to a meet tonight. So y'all gonna catch this POV. This shit on base right now. But this shit still get up. So put that shit in Sport Plus for y'all. Y'all hear that blow off? Soft launch. Everything, I promise you. Quick stop at the station. Get a Q50 at, you know what I mean? What we rocking with for the day. About to get some pulls on the highway for y'all, some cutting up. Pull up to a meet tonight. After we fill up, I'm gonna link up my boy Wes. This shit got some goodies, man. Carbon everywhere. You got the little shit aggressive in the front. Like, damn, nigga, can I get my face back? Oh yeah, I'm jacking it. This shit is still on base map too. But once we get that shit going, this shit's gonna be a monster this summer. Shit, I don't feel sorry for y'all niggas. Cause he not coming to play. Yeah, let's get up out of here and go get this concept for y'all. I'm sorry for when I win is I that you too cool for a loser. You could be winning. I am. Give y'all a little pull. Oh, boy. Shit. Was that this shit popping like that? Damn. Just pulled up to my boy Wes shit. Shit, he gonna drive the A-Spec today, and then I'm gonna drive it, the Q50. Got the Q outside. Looking mean as fuck. We about to go hit up this meet. I see how aggressive this should go. Sunset. Hold on. Wait, he's wild. No. Yo, he's actually going. A-Spec is moving though. He's gonna hit it. I know him, he's gonna hit it. his car is actually OD fun. This car is actually fun as fuck. Alright, let's see how packed this shit is. Oh yeah, there's a lot of heads up there. Oh, it is packed. Fuck. Got the scats out though. Hellcat right there. A few of them joints. My boy right here. All my dogs outside. What the hell? Yo, what up? Yo, I ain't bring the G this time.
You want the red one?
I ain't bringing this time. Oh, clot. Yeah. What up, gang? Why is everybody outside right now, yo? This shit is OD. Oh, they dead ass looking for me, bro. I need to get in, bro. What up, gang? TV. Yo, you going back up?
Yeah. There's packed in there.
I'ma get in. What is you talking about? What up, gang? How are you?
I'm straight, bro. This shit kind of annoying.
What?
This.
What you mean? I know, yeah. It said nasty. What up, gang? I didn't think he was gonna come. I was gonna text you, but I thought she was gonna be Hollywood. Damn, bro, the atmosphere is crazy. Yo, this nigga's wildin' to it. Alright, we about to go into the 7-Eleven now. We got my boy Wes with me. What up? And we about to go see what this shit fucking with. This shit's active early. This shit is OD. 7-Eleven.
Now listen. So again, they're probably gonna end up in a video. It is what it is.
They got a whole DJ over there. They got a DJ and a 7-Eleven is crazy. Oh, he's rolling. He's rolling. You late, my boy.
It is, bro.
You late, my boy. What up, buddy?
Long time no see.
Bro. I ain't think you was coming out.
I had to.
How long you about to be out here?
Like about a couple hours. I'm thinking of hitting the other one, the East Coast Legends, I think.
Where's that at?
It's in
That's after, right?
Yeah.
Well, I bet. Send me the flyer.
I got you.
I'll be there.
Yeah.
Niggas fuck me up. What up, gang?
What up, bro?
It definitely can. Nah, straight. Just straight. Stop turning, straight. Just straight, bro. Straight, you're good. What up, gang? What time you got here?
6.
Oh, damn, nigga.
Yeah.
Where y'all parked at?
I'm parked right here. I'm locked in right now. Jensen just pulled off.
This shit's active, bro.
Yeah.
This shit. My boy's Q50 right here.
Pull it down, bro.
Oh, yeah. How does it drive?
Perfectly fine, but that shit just looks retarded.
That's an ISR on it? Yeah. That shit clean.
Hopefully, when I get it back, I'm gonna try to bag it next week.
Yeah. You doing it yourself?
I'm doing my dad. Dave sent some bread.
This shit is so... Niggas got the other side of the parking lot turned. The meat's over there. And you got niggas playing music at Wingstop across the street, bro. Like, god damn. This motherfucker hard. Alright, we got our first one. We about to run a M340. 40. I'm gonna try it. I don't know how his shit gonna go. Yo, you beep, all right? 40. You beep. that was a yo, that shit move, yo. This is actually a good ass run, yo. I wanna see if he can get another good one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yo, what shit go? Oh, let's run it. Why you ducking a cute
Like,
a stock?
Why you trying to be sleeping?
It's a stock,
some shit in there?
bro. It's actually a stock Q50, bro. There's nothing done to the car, bro. You got this demon full bolt-on.
Don't want to waste his gas.
Don't want to waste his gas. You got the faster car, bro.
I got a slow ass Acura.
Yo, you know I hate when he be saying this.
My shit stopped. I got dealer plates on the gas.
No, but he thinks have something under my sleeve, bro, and I really don't.
I believe that you don't got
I'll do it.
Oh, this shit.
What? It just happened? Oh, that's a girl? That's a girl. Oh my God.
That's really my twin too. She
540. Let me go race her because she want to race.
she type bad too. Yo.
All right, we about to race that 540 right there.
Yo, I'm watching right here, right?
Yo! 40. It didn't want to go. It like went into limbo. Oh, the cops. Fuck.
Okay, bye.